Hello students, welcome to Short Observe classes. So we are solving Nash equilibrium problems. So today we will be looking at and this example which goes like this. For player 2 and for player 1. Okay, so there are two players, player 2 and player 1. So now for player 1 we'll write U and D. For player 2 we'll write L and R. So for player 1 we have U and D. For player 2 we have L and R. Now we'll write down the strategies, which is 6, 8, 6, 8, then 7, 6, 4, 7 and 3, 7. So we have this following payoffs. Now out of this we have to find the Nash equilibrium strategy. So in order to do that, first I will ask you to go to the previous video. In the previous video we showed how do we solve Nash equilibrium problems. So in this video, as you can see, let's say player 2 makes the first move. So when player 2 makes the first move, then player 2 has two options to play, either option L or R. So when player 2 makes the first move, player 2 has two options, either L or R. Now given these two options, say for an example, player 2 chooses L first, that is player 2 plays L first. Now player 1 has two options, one is U, another is D. Now out of these two strategies, player 1 that player will choose depends on the payoff which are written by this matrix. So today we'll see how do we solve this game theory problem. For this, first we'll write down, for player 2 being the first mover, player 1 will play player 2. When player 2 plays say L, player 1 will either choose this or this. So as you can see, 7 is greater than 6, so player 1 will play 7, which is D. Now given when player 2 plays, say for an example R, player 1 has two options to play, either player 1 will play this or this. So we can see here it is quite obvious, 4 is the maximum as compared to 3, 4 is more. So when player 2 plays R, player 1 plays 4, which is U. So far we have seen when player 2 being the first mover, what are the optimal strategies for player 1. Now we'll see the other way around, that is when player 1 makes the first move, what happens to player 2's optimal strategies. So for this, player 1 being the first mover, player 1 makes the first move, player 2 has two strategies to play, either L or R. Out of this we'll see which one he will choose by comparing the last numbers of the columns. So if you, last numbers, which is this and this, of the rows, this is the rows. Out of this rows, when player 1 plays U, he has two options, either 8 or 7 to play. So obviously 8 is greater than 7, so he will play 8. So when player 1 plays U, the player 2 plays L. Now in the other option, when player 1 plays D, player 2 plays, out of this two, player 2 plays R. Now you can see none of them are matching with each other. So you would conclude in this game there is no Nash equilibrium. So in this game, there is no Nash equilibrium. So you would conclude in this game, there is no Nash equilibrium. So in the earlier videos, we talked about two Nash equilibriums. Then in the second video, we talked about one Nash equilibrium, and in this video, we talked about the case where there is no Nash equilibrium. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any query or doubt regarding this question, I'll be giving you my number, which is 9836 793076. It is 9836 793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.showupsearchclasses.com. There you will find a lot of videos like this, and you'll also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed to crack various entrance exams. So thank you for watching this video. In today's video, we talked about Nash equilibrium concept from game theory. Have a nice day ahead.